Hi, my name is Marcia, and I came to the doctor about a year ago to replace hormone therapy. I found Dr. Setareh through my husband, who works with pro athletes through Proactive Sports, and they highly recommended him. After turning 50, my body just completely changed. I started becoming very irritable, could not sleep, my joints were hurting, my energy levels were completely plummeted down. And even though I'm a personal trainer and a group fitness leader, and I'm with fitness all day, 6 days a week, my energy levels just were not having it. So I decided to get hormone therapy to feel normal again, to become more active, so I can be there for my husband, for my 4 children, and work full-time for my job. So I needed the energy levels and to be the best I could be as a person.
Hi, I'm Dr. Setareh, and today we're doing bioidentical hormones for a lovely young lady here. So we're going to start with some lidocaine just to numb the area. First we create a little wheel, and then we numb the little track where the pellets go. While the lidocaine sets in, we're going to set up for the procedure. Here's what 100 milligrams of testosterone looks like, and 20 milligrams of estrogen or estradiol. This is a great system. It lets us implant the pellets really quickly and easily. I use this funnel to drop them into the syringe that's going to place the pellets. Then I clip it into place, and we're ready to go. This is also a really great piece of equipment. It's a scalpel, but it's a safety scalpel, and it lets us cut the exact amount for the procedure. So this is the size of the incision that we made. It's, again, about 1 centimeter. And to implant the pellets, we just put this guy in. And now they're all implanted. I take the device out and we're done. So we're putting this waterproof bandage on you. Try not to get it wet for 3 days. You have the steri strips underneath, no stitches or sutures. You're not going to scar from this.
After the first treatment, I could feel an energy spike, which was wonderful, being in the role I do as a personal trainer and a group fitness instructor, dealing with clients every day and being their supportive. I needed to be highly motivated and supportive and with full of energy. My sleeping patterns became very the best sleep that I've had in years. My joints didn't hurt near as much, and then after the second round it was even better. My sleeping patterns were more streamlined, my energy levels even became higher, and my joints, there was no issue with my joints anymore. So I'm excited for this third round to see how more effective and benefits that I'm going to get after this round. What I would say to Dr. Setareh is thank you so much for making me feel comfortable and making me feel how trustworthy you are with getting my perfect optimal level that I want to be as a woman and as a person. So thank you for holding my hand basically and walking me through this and taking me through this next journey of my life.